Hello everyone, welcome back to Poetry Surprises. Well, it's a really windy, grey and dull day today, so once again I'm indoors. Seems to me that as the summer's progressing, so the weather's getting worse. Well, that's par for the course maybe here. But anyway, I'm going to read you a poem today about a domestic situation, about a doctor and his wife and a budgerigar. Birds in a cage. My name is George. I'm 65. My daughter lives in Cheam. I practiced medicine all my life. Now my hobbies steam. My wife, poor June, her back was sore. But that's the way with age. She lay for hours on the floor beside the budgie's cage. I hate the smelly budgerigar, a present from my daughter. I'd rather wash and wax the car than give it food and water. But Joey can't be left to die. Doctors are humane. I hope, therefore, that it might fly into a window pane and break its little neck, of course. There's nothing I could do. Medicine doesn't have recourse to miracles. Do you? June watched the cricket on TV, planted acres of lobelia. But truth to tell, between you and me, I had good cause to leave her. She mocked aloud my model trains, denounced them childish trash, then told me to unblock the drains to save our useless cash. She wore her cool, self-righteous glow. I slipped her warfarin pills. When Mallard Hornby 000 derailed its bogey wheels, I pitied her spiteful mind. Her life stuck in the house, and duty states I must be kind. So I healed my ailing spouse. And now I'm off to Istanbul, upon the Orient Express, to feel the southern sun grow cool through evening's wild excess. Then cross the snowy Urals, sipping vodka all the way with a quack who's selling curals and makes his medicine pay. What's wrong with me? Am I depraved? A doctor cannot kill. The telly's off. The garden's paved. But Joey needs his trill. Thank you very much. I'll be back with another poetry surprise. Hopefully I'll be able to get outdoors soon. Hopefully I'll be able to travel somewhere soon. See somewhere else a little bit different soon. But for now, it's just going to be day in, day out, some poetry surprises. Okay, right, bye for now.